The Ask AI image generation and editing feature lets you create and customize visuals right inside of HighLevel. And you can do it by just describing what you want. Whether you need social media graphics, email banners, or hero images for a landing page, you can now build and refine them using a natural chat style prompts without any design tools or experience needed. Okay, let me show you how it's done. So once you're inside your HighLevel sub account, all you have to do is open up your Ask AI in the sidebar or in the top bar over here. If you see this blue button, click on Ask AI, where I asked it to generate an image of a peaceful mountain landscape. And then in just a few seconds, it created this image over here. Then what's really nice, like I mentioned, I can have a natural style conversation with it where I can ask for different versions or tweak it. So if I say something like, show another version with more clouds, I click on enter, then it will start to generate that image with more clouds. And you can change the prompt to anything like increasing the saturation, changing the style to maybe a watercolor style. So the creative style is all in your hands. I'll give it a couple more seconds. And there we go. It created another version, this time with more clouds. You can see the graphic that it created based off of my prompt. So let's say you like this image and you want to save it to your media library. All you have to do is come down to this button and click it, and then it will be automatically saved to the library. To view your library, come down to media storage on the bottom left-hand side. Then you'll see a folder called Copilot Generations, where your image has then been added into. So let's say after a couple of days, you want to come back and actually modify it even further. Instead of restarting that whole process, just go to the chat history inside of Ask AI to find your chat. You can do that by, again, going up to Ask AI. Then in the top right corner, instead of clicking on Create New Chat, click on Go to Chat History. Then you're just going to find the chat that you want, click on it, and then it will open up that chat history where you can then refine it or edit it more, and then click Save, which will take us straight to your media library. You can do live iterations without any design experience needed. So again, just to remind you, by default, the images are stored inside of the chat history of Ask AI. But if you wanted to go to media storage, then just click on Save. So if you're ready to skip the stock photos and start generating images that match your exact vision, then go ahead and try Ask AI's image generation and editing tool today.